In this video, we're going to show you some easy steps to change a guitar string. After a lot of use, guitar strings start to lose their bright tone, they become harder to tune, and they often break, especially the thinnest first and second strings. So it's an essential skill as guitar players to know how to change our strings correctly. Depending on how much you play, you may need to change your strings once every few months. So which tools do you need? The best tool for the job by far is an all-in-one like this. It has 3 tools: the string winder, acoustic peg lifter, and the wire cutter. The first step is to turn the tuning key until the string becomes loose, like so. Once it's fairly loose, you can save time unwinding by cutting the string with some wire cutters and then removing the excess wind. At the other end, we'll need the peg lifter to extract the peg like this. Be careful when doing this and don't use other tools such as a knife or a pair of pliers, as you can easily damage the guitar. Once you have the peg removed, you can then go ahead and remove the old string. Open up your new set of strings and make sure you have all 6 laid out in order. In this case, we're going to choose the 6th string, which is the biggest string on the guitar. Go ahead and insert the string into the bridge. On an electric guitar, you will thread the string through the bridge or through the body. Push the peg back into place and then pull the string until you feel it reach the bottom of the peg. Push the peg in nice and tight. Don't use any other tools such as a hammer to push the peg back in. Now we have that end secure, let's go ahead and thread the string through the hole of the tuning key. Pull the string until it's nice and tight. Next, estimate about 1 inch of length or measure from one tuning key to another. Push the string back through the tuning key until you reach that length and then bend the string 90 degrees. Now start to wind the tuning key and pull down on the string with the other hand to keep it tight. Note that the string is sitting on the inside of the headstock to the right of the tuning key. Speed up the job with the string winder until you feel the string becoming tight enough to support itself. Take your guitar tuner and tune the string more or less to its note, in this case E. If the string peg slips out as you're winding the string, keep pushing it back in tightly and it will eventually hold. Take your wire cutters and cut off the excess string close to the tuning key. Repeat these steps with the other 5 strings and tune each string to their respective notes. Here at Guitar Diet, we're dedicated to bringing you the best quality guitar lessons online, so head over to www.guitardiet.com and sign up today. Your journey to guitar mastery starts here.